All right, everyone. So I'm going to walk you through part A of problem 714 here. So it says Ignacio and Oliver are playing another game with the algebra tiles. After they simplify two new expressions, they are left with the expressions on their mats shown at right. They could not tell which part of the mat is greater just by looking. One way to compare the mats is to separate the X tiles and the unit tiles on different sides of the mat. Work with your team to find a way to have only X tiles on mat A. So the idea is we want to get this mat where we only have an X on one side and any other unit tiles on the other side. Now, one way we've used in the past is removing balance sets, meaning that if I have something on both sides of the mat, I can take that off both sides of the mat at the same time and everything stays balanced. The issue here is I have nothing on the mat B side. So I want to get rid of my 6 negative tiles from mat A, but I obviously can't just take those off because I don't have anything equal to those on the other side to remove at the same time. So what I'm going to do is something kind of like the opposite of that. So instead of simply taking away tiles, I'm going to add tiles. And it's going to work the same way because as long as I add the same thing to both sides, it stays balanced. Just like I was removing, I'm adding. And as long as the same amount is put on both sides at the same time, everything stays balanced. So if I come in and I add 6 positive tiles to mat A, I can do that as long as I do the same thing to mat B. And again, it's just like a teeter-totter. If things are balanced and I put 6 more on both sides, they're going to stay balanced. Well, now that I've added 6 positive tiles to both sides, I have 0 pairs here that will help me cancel out all of my unit tiles. And I am left with an X on mat A and 6 positive single tiles on mat B.